guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We have something very special today. We have a taste test video. Yay!
Thanks so much.
To eat the change.
We love getting stuff to try in the mail, and this looks phenomenal.
Right? Oh my goodness, we have all of these amazing mushroom jerkies to try. I can't wait to rock this trucker hat. I'm obsessed with it.
This is going on my laptop with my collection.
We got a buff too? Like,
yeah.
What? But I just
perfect for biking.
Yeah, I just want to put a disclaimer. Like, this video is not sponsored.
No.
We were just gifted this, and we are excited.
We're going to tell you what we think
to try out the jerky.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you guys know this, but before I went vegetarian, I was a jerky freak.
Yeah.
Dad knows.
It was embarrassing.
We had to get like the big pack of Slim Jims at Sam's Club, and I was like really into jerky, but now I'm vegan, and
you can still be into jerky, but
I can
it's
still
mushroom
be into
jerky.
Yeah, and also there's a really big thunderstorm happening right now, so if you hear like,
or you hear ah,
it's
yeah.
But anyway, let's try out some of these jerkies. So
these are from Pennsylvania.
Yeah, and they use imperfect mushrooms,
and they use wood that is also imperfect. That wouldn't be so. You know what I mean? Like scraps of wood to do the smoking and everything to give it the flavor.
But just to get back to like the imperfect mushrooms here, because this is so cool. These mushrooms include bruised, oversized, and usually discarded stems that wouldn't have made it to the grocery store shelf.
That smells amazing, by the way.
Yeah.
What flavor is that?
This is the teriyaki ginger. We're going to start with that. So let's see. Gonna give it a little taste.
Oh,
thank you. This is so exciting.
Why don't we're doing a lot of tasting, so why
don't
we do
but each pouch has 110 calories, which is a great payoff. All right, teriyaki ginger.
That's really delicious.
That is delicious.
The dogs are like, can we have some?
Oh, you're so cute.
You can't have this right now.
This is really good.
This is really good.
Okay, I'm already obsessed. I love it. That's really good. It's got that teriyaki flavor.
Yeah.
The texture is very jerky-like. But you don't have to feel bad like, oh, I'm eating meat, because you're not.
Well, we already know the secrets of mushrooms because we made a mushroom bacon that was really, really good. So
this is excellent, though.
This is like a continuation of...
yeah, I just want to have a little water in between to cleanse my palate.
I have to say, too, the bag is really informative. It's got a lot of stuff. I can't go into it right now, but it explains a lot of stuff about the flavor, you know, and where the mushrooms come from. And
this does have a very nice smoky flavor to it.
You know what I really love about this? It's not too salty.
That is true. Yeah,
you know
jerky tends to be super salty just because of the way it's made.
You could eat that and then not feel sick afterwards because you know what I mean? Like when you eat too much jerky, you're like, ugh. But that's really good.
That is really good. Let's try out the Hickory Smokehouse.
Ooh.
Okay, I see you. Purple bag right here.
Yeah. I have to say, the packaging and everything is beautiful. And you know, you eat with your eyes and you buy with your eyes.
This one smells really good too.
Let's see. Ooh.
Right?
Yes.
And you would not, like, if I just had a blindfold on and I tried this, I would not guess that it was a mushroom.
Ooh. Wow.
That's delicious. I feel like I'm going to say that about all of them, but it really is.
That tastes like bacon.
Yeah, it kind of does. It has almost like a sweetness to it, though.
Like a really expensive bacon.
That is so... I can't wait for Dad to try these.
I know. Dad's doing the camera work right now, but he's going to love these.
Yeah, this one has a nice sweetness to it.
Yeah.
I really like that.
It tastes like a maple bacon.
All right. Next up.
Ooh, spicy.
This is like... It's just like too much good stuff all at once.
It's more than we could ever hope for.
Yeah, this is a habanero BBQ. I'm a little bit nervous about this one because...
Spicy?
I don't do great with spicy stuff.
It said that they offset the spice with...
sweetness?
Yeah. Or tartness, actually.
Well, let's see what we got.
Woo!
Did you just burn off your...
No, it smells good.
Ooh, it does smell good.
And look, the the code on there to ring it up at the store is mushroom tots.
Oh, I love when they have the little details on the codes like that, on the barcodes.
Love it.
All right, here we go. Let's hope I'm not going to start crying.
I'm going to take a big one.
Okay. I'm waiting for the spice to kick in a little bit.
Not
Which it
spicy.
is. No, it is kicking in.
You're a baby mouth.
I do have a baby mouth. That's good though. It's not too spicy.
It's not overly spicy.
But it definitely kicks in more.
It's on the back end.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Mm.
My husband would not like that because it's too spicy for him.
I feel like I can eat that and not die.
That is really delicious.
Yeah.
I wonder how this would translate, like if you chop this up and you put this with some
Like in
pasta or something.
I didn't even think of that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or like a vegan mac and cheese and have this as like the accent
That would be very
crumbled
good.
on the top.
Yeah.
It
This
would
one,
be really good.
I would say if you're not into spicy stuff, this one's probably not for you. But if you like,
It's really good.
like mild spicy, like me, I feel like I could still eat this.
Yeah.
It is very tasty.
Yeah. I love habanero.
Yeah. All right. Next up, we have
Ooh.
sea salt and cracked pepper.
Salt and pepper. I absolutely love pepper. I love those pepper chickpea chips that we have. So I have a feeling I'm really
I think this
gonna
one's
like
gonna be really, like a winner.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all good so far.
The poor
Bowie.
puppy is just like,
Relax.
why aren't you sharing?
Ooh. Oh my God. Yeah, that one smells
Ooh, I
really
just got
good.
a whiff of that.
That smells really good.
Ooh.
I feel like this might be my favorite. Mmm. Okay.
Mhm.
Definitely my favorite so far.
Yeah. I can't really describe why though, but it's just so good. It's just so smooth.
Mm-hmm.
It's not overly salty.
Ooh, you get the pepper after.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That is really nice.
It's a different kind of heat.
Yeah. These all have like a nice sweetness to them.
They all have such a unique flavor.
Yeah, that one is.
I feel like making some pasta tonight and putting
And
this
putting
on
this in there. I'm all for it because this is really good.
This is really good.
Okay.
Beautiful.
And last but not least, we have a beautiful maple mustard, which just sounds like a magical combination.
Yeah.
Sweet
Oh,
and tangy.
Yes.
It says on the bag.
This reminds me of like the mustard pretzels from like
Oh.
Amish country.
Yeah, I love those like honey mustard pretzels.
Mm-hmm.
Let's hope this is bringing the magic. It smells good.
Ooh. So flavorful smelling.
Mm-hmm. I'll wait for you. Actually, let me just get a little more water so I can kind of...
I don't care. I'm having a big one.
I gotta tell you, I had a feeling that we were gonna enjoy these, but I didn't know like exactly what to expect. This is way exceeding my expectations.
The mustard on this is so good without it being like punching you in the face.
That is really
You know
good.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Mm.
That's...
We're all out of flavors.
Eat the change! I love you! This has been wonderful.
Oh my god.
I'm definitely going to want more of this after we run out of our samples. Eat the change. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sending these for us to try. They are, I can't even pick a favorite.
I know, I'm trying to
these are
pick
all
out
so good.
Faves. It's really hard. I would say probably this one first. Then maybe
I would say
this one. Yeah.
Then the habanero.
And that one's going to be last for me just because I'm a baby mouth. But it's still good. Like, I would still eat it.
Teriyaki.
This one and this one I think are tied for me.
But just because this one's last doesn't mean it's least. It's just, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, these are all so good. I'm so
There
excited.
is such a small difference, you know, in how much we like each one.
Yeah. No, they were all delicious.
Oh my
I just want to thank Eat the Change so much.
Thank you so much.
For reaching out and for sending us these samples. And you guys, check it out. If you're a jerky head too.
Yeah.
These are winners.
You're a mushroom head too.
Yeah.
I love mushrooms, so I knew I was going to like these, but
oh my goodness.
I didn't know I was going to love them.
Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, much love.